Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Himu and
This
this
is
is
Mugdalugdar.
Mugdo. We will practice English using comprehensible input method, and Mugdo is having jhalmuri, and
It's too much spicy.
it is too much spicy because you take a spicy what it is called
Chili,
Naga chili or something like that.
the
You
red
take
one.
red one. That's why it is very spicy, too spicy. You can tolerate it. Can you tolerate it?
Yes.
Yes. Let's walk and talk. Oh, we look
Just eating sound.
eating sound. Oh, just hear eating sound. Feel that sound. How Mugdo is eating jhalmuri. Whatever. We getting darker. Here is lots of light. Maybe we
By the
will
way,
will be brighter.
a dustbin to
Dustbin to put
throw the
throw
throw
this
the dust.
this dust anywhere. You can't find anywhere a dustbin.
Yeah, we just find it.
You just find it. You just found it, not find it. Oh, this way looks more darker than this way.
I need a sharbat, cold sharbat. Come,
Cold sherbet.
come.
You got a spicy.
Yeah.
That's why you need sherbet.
Come, brother.
Why do you eat that thing you can't tolerate? You have to tolerate this kind of spicy if you are male, alpha male, in order to be a sigma or alpha male.
Brother,
Sigma male.
if you take the one chili, you will feel the pain.
Feel the pain.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can bait with me.
No.
Do you really wanna drink sherbet? Go for it. It's so cool. By the way, he got a spicy and he's taking sherbet. Mugdo is having a sherbet and I am just doing a video. What do you feel after drinking a sherbet? Come this side.
Maybe it's a little bit uh,
Less spicy.
Less
it feels.
spicy.
Now you feel little bit less spicy.
maybe.
And by the way,
My
we are
one friend gifted a nut. It's called American nut, and
American nut.
yeah,
I never.
she told me that this is American nut, and you also take it.
I also took it, but I didn't know about this about the name. What kind of nut it is. And I also testing your camera. I have to test back camera. What it is look like. I am testing his 1x camera, main camera. I'm testing ultra wide. It looks much more darker. Which resolution I am doing video? I have to see. I'm doing video 4K 30 FPS.
Because it's dark. Because of this area is darker.
No, this area. Look at this. Look at this. This is ultra wide camera, and this looks much more darker. But if I switch to lens, it's got brighter
Wow.
because there is a resolution difference or some kind of difference between ultra wide and main camera. If I switch to what it is telephoto lens, it's much same to. Oh, it's a watch review.
Yes. It
Cholex.
is a Rolex.
Cholex.
Every people are getting jealous about my
Cholex.
Rolex. That's why they call it Rolex.
Cholex.
Because they don't afford it.
Yes, I'm such a poor kind of guy. That's why I can't afford this. There is a one red mouse. You can't see. It's a get inside. Oh, 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 look at this. I can see it. There is. Look on this side. There's
There's no
two
light.
people. Two people just stare.
You can just
Strangely stared
okay,
at
okay,
us.
okay, okay.
What? Increase the light. Maybe I can increase the light. There is no difference between before and after. Oh, stared.
Just a little.
Uh, there is one person like is constantly stared at us, look at us, and they thought something suspicious.
After
That mean
afterwards, we shoot the video, and some people are inspired to take selfies.
take selfies. Oh yes, I can see there are some people, some person are taking selfie. They
After
they
saw
we are making video, or they thought we are taking selfie. This kind of maybe we shouldn't do like this. I saw one video. You can you if you do like this, the people can read your fingerprint from your photo or something, and access your valid information from
Wow.
anywhere. It's happened somewhere. A hacker can access this information through your fingerprint.
but I have no money. If they hack me, they
If
also they also surprised with my
surprise.
with my things that I have nothing.
Whatever. Well, maybe we should go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the sky. It's beautiful. Sky, you can't see maybe. Maybe it doesn't look good. It doesn't come out in camera. Hey bro, we are walking along this footpath, and this is a road beside this footpath, and we are going towards what? Towards the park.
Park.
It is called DSP,
Dharmosagar
Dharmosagar Park. It is not a sea, but its name like sea.
This history is the Kumilla kingdom, who makes 3 ponds. There is one of them, Dharmosagar Par, and the other pond is Rani Digir Par, and the another is I think Ujit Digir Par. There is 3 pond, main pond. The
Main
that
pond
time
is
the
there,
ancient time king have made it for us.
made for us.
Made for us.
Is there any story behind this name, Dharmosagar? If you know,
I don't know actually, but I just know a little. I know maybe the kingdom name is the king name is Dharma type something. Dharma.
that's why it's
Called Dharmosagar Park.
Dharmosagar Park. That's great. You, and we
Kumilla
are
is a very historical
historical place.
and the ancient things are available in this city. And we have the 100 years ago trees, but unfortunately our some bad people are cut them.
Cut those trees.
Cut those trees, but there is too much beautiful sceneries with these trees.
There is a one institute that is called Haji Nazrul Islam
Nazrul Islam Academy.
Academy
Nazrul
or
Academy.
institute, and there is another that is called Ranir Kuti. If you can see there,
Rani
I will-
Kuti means the king wife, the queen is staying there.
Stayed this place.
So, yeah,
Used to stay this
stayed
place.
this place.
You can see. Wow. It doesn't come into our camera.
Yeah.
Many
Many people don't know the Kumilla is also part of the Kumilla was the part of Tripura,
Tripura.
and the Tripura king have plan for the Kumila cities, and that's why Kumila is too much. What is meaning? Too much um,
Developed.
developed from other cities, and just because of our people are not the good on that's why we don't progressive our development, but we keep our good work.
There, beside this, there is a park. We are walking along
There is called
with this
art
path.
school. This
That
is
is
art
called
school
art school.
from 1986. There is too much fuchka stores, Bhelpuri, Panipuri, and Chalmuri was there, and
Was there? No. Is there?
is there? Wow, is there?
Was means
Past.
it is mentioned in past.
I just forgot about that.
And there is a loss of shop this along with this road, and we are walking along the road, and they're playing music. There is a one ice cream shop. They're playing music everywhere, every time.
Yeah, maybe we need to.
You need to sit somewhere.
Yeah.
You feel sick.
Yes, after
Oh.
after taking Nagamorich.
Nagamoric make you so sick
Yeah.
every time. Every time you have this Nagamori, I saw you feel sick, but you after you feel sick, you didn't aware of these things, and you again and again taking these
The
things.
Naga chilies has their own
Property.
property and their own flavors. That's why I take enjoyably.
Naga chili is like your ex. It's
I have no ex. I'm a
it,
single guy.
it every time give you a pain, but you want this pain.
Wow,
You like this pain.
you are a part.
I'm not poet. Uh, and
Wow, this light is so beautiful.
it's blinking
Yeah.
behind us. Behind
Just,
us, it's like lightning
Yeah.
when it is time to rain.
Rain.
It is lightning, rumbling, this kind of stuff happening behind us. Whether you can see it or not, look there.
But
It's blinking or flashing. You can say whatever you feel free to say.
our audience always maybe have a question that why we are always in dark.
Always in dark because we don't have that much good camera and that much
What?
that
We
much
have
good
we
camera.
have a good camera. I have a good camera, brother. But we just stay in a darker
This
place.
is not the best camera you can say.
It's not the best
It
camera
is-
for me. It's my
It what we have.
yeah.
Yes, that,
But there
that
is
is
no
what
light.
you can say.
If there is no light, if you bring a the
The big
Sony DSLR camera, there
They
is no
will-
light, and there is also will be black.
Yes, you are absolutely right. If
So how you said that?
if you don't have if you have a better camera but you don't have light, you can't make a better
Yes.
video. It is absolutely correct. I'm filmmaker. I can feel these things. Oh my hand is
Maybe we need to
stuck.
today we need to go. Tata.
Today you need to stop.
Yeah.
That is what you want to say.
Maybe
That
it
it is too much for today.
yeah.
So whatever, we need to wrap up our class. I don't know how to say vlog or something. So thank you for today. Do you have anything to say?
Nothing. Goodbye.
Goodbye.